All right, so our offer was accepted. We've done our inspections, they're now behind us. And now comes what I call the quiet grind phase, underwriting. Basically, this is where the lender's underwriting team goes deep. Every detail of your loan file is verified to make sure that it's ready to fund that loan. Things that they're going to be doing, they're going to be verifying your income as well as your employment, reviewing those tax returns as well as your bank statements, confirming that credit and making sure your debt to income ratio is still good, and really checking that appraisal and title. And if anything comes up, they'll flag any missing documents or anything that could cause potential issues. Think of it like airport security for your finances. They're not trying to stop your journey, they're really just making sure everything is safe, legitimate, and ready to go. They're not against you. They just need every I dotted and every T completely crossed to make sure everybody's good to go. Here's a pro tip for you. Keep your documents organized in one folder, like your updated pay stubs, bank statements, tax info, in a single spot, because it'll make underwriting a complete breeze. And during this time, many buyers get really nervous because it feels quiet. No home tours, no repair negotiations, just a lot of waiting around. But behind the scenes, verifications, reviews, and prep work are moving really fast. So some common things that might pop up, honestly, during underwriting, don't be surprised if your lender is going to start asking you for things such as an updated pay stub, maybe a letter explaining a deposit, verification of your military benefits, and maybe proof of a closed credit account that you had mentioned previously. Think of it like really cooking a complex recipe. Missing one ingredient can really hold everything up or make it bad. But once everything is in place, it all comes together just beautifully. And also avoid opening new credit, moving big sums of money, changing jobs without letting your lender know, because even small changes can create really unnecessary delays. If something changes though, you need to make sure you communicate that early. A quick call can really prevent a week of headaches later on. When the underwriter is satisfied, they issue something magical. It's called "You're clear to close." All conditions are met and the closing disclosure is on its way. Honestly, from there, the lender sends the final numbers to the attorney, closing is scheduled, and keys are just days away. Here's your last tip. Underwriting can feel like a black box, but staying organized, responding quickly, and knowing what to expect keeps everything moving smoothly. Think of it as the final training before crossing the finish line. And here's another little French approved tip, my service dog. Stay patient, really keep a positive mindset, because nervous energy, it doesn't speed up the process, but being proactive does.